Hey, this is Josh from the tech department at Wholesale Solar, and I wanted to just take a second and show you guys how to do a hard reset on an Outback Flexmax 60 or Flexmax 80. And it's a relatively simple procedure. You can have to do this when you go through and reset your battery type, your system voltage, a few other things. Relatively easy. We're going to use the soft keys. They're not well labeled anywhere actually, but there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 in respect to the diagrams they show in the manual. And what we do to do a reset is hold down buttons number 1 and 3 and supply power back to the unit. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on here. It's going to ask us to select a version. We're going to go ahead and go with English. It's going to ask us for a password. Now the default password on the FM60, MX60, FM80, all the Outback equipment is going to be 141. That's 141. So we'll get that typed in here. We're going to go enter, which happens to be soft key number 4. We're going to go, yeah, we want to do English. Are we sure? Yeah. It's going to ask us system voltage. So we'll jump in here. We're actually doing a 12 volt system, so we'll just hit enter. Happens to be soft key number 3. Are we sure? Yeah. Awesome. So we get to here. There's only one other adjustment that we really need to make, and we hit soft key number 1 to do kind of the initial setup. The first thing I want to look at is going to be charger, and this is really the only thing that I suggest people go through and look at, depending on the battery type. We'll hit go, and this is going to allow us to adjust 3 things: current limit, absorbing, and float. Now this is an 80 amp controller. It's set at 80 amps. We can't turn it up higher than that. We can turn it down lower. It doesn't really make sense. So let's just leave it at 80. Now on the absorbing, 14.4 is an okay default set point. Each battery is going to come with a different spec from the manufacturer as far as where you want it to be. 14.4 will work here. As far as float goes, on my system, I'm using AGM batteries. They're the UPGs, those 200 amp hour 6 volts. Now, the float on a lead acid battery is going to be a little bit higher, so the default's at 13.6. With my AGM batteries, I'm going to need to turn that down a little bit. They want to float at 13.0, so I'll go ahead and set it there, go back out, we're done. We'll hit exit, we're back to the main screen, and that's basically where we want to be as far as the initial reset or initial programming, and then just the very first part. So hope that's helpful. Have a great day.